Now you know about the Math Tutor. Let's get started. You can use this website with any technology device. If you want to use the website smoothly, I recommend you using a laptop rather than phones, iPads, and tablets. When you go to the website funfraction.org, accurately at the bottom right side, you'll see a pencil, eraser, restart button, multiplication chart, and a message sign. When you click on the message sign, you'll get access to the Math Tutor. Math Tutor, you'll be able to ask questions by typing or speaking. If you're trying to answer a question by conversing, you'll have to click the microphone sign to talk to the Math Tutor to answer a question. Hello. Then click the send button.
Before we get started, would you like to know how to communicate with me effectively? If you're interested, I can show you a brief video first.
If you want to watch this brief video, you can watch this later. But right now, I'm gonna say no.
Understood. Could you please share your nickname, so I know what to call you during our session?
This time, I'm gonna show you how to answer your question by typing. If you're trying to answer a question by typing, click the input box. Then write your answer. Then click the send button.
Nice to meet you, Muji. I'm here to support you in learning mathematics, including fraction word problems. Before we dive into that, it would be helpful if you could briefly formulate or restate a learning goal for today's session. What would you like to focus on or achieve during our math talk today?
If you want to change the language that they're talking and how you're typing and speaking to them, then at the top left side, you'll see a language icon. Beside, you'll see the language step, and then you can search for the language that you want it to be in. 저는 오늘 목표는요.
Great. 무지. Setting A equal to focus on finding A common denominator. 분수통분. is a fantastic idea. Have you set this A as your specific goal for today's session? Or is there anything else you would like to add?
한국말이 잘못 나온다면요. 다시 한국말로 말해 주라고 하면 됩니다. 한국말로 다시 말해주세요.
물론이죠. 무지. 오늘 수학 공부의 목표를 분수의 통분에 집중하기로 하신 건 정말 좋은 생각입니다. 오늘 세션에 대해 구체적으로 정한 목표인가요? 아니면 추가하고 싶은 다른 내용이 있나요?
그리고 이제는 바꿔볼게요. 미국말로.
Of course. Muji. Setting a goal to focus on finding a common denominator is excellent. Have you set this as your specific learning goal for today's session? Or is there anything else you would like to add?
I want to add, do you have to simplify on common denominator?
Great addition to your goal. Muji. You're asking whether it's necessary to simplify fractions after finding a common denominator. That's an important aspect of working with fractions. To clarify your objectives, 1. Learn about finding a common denominator. 2. Understand when and how to simplify fractions after finding a common denominator. With these goals in mind, are you ready to start discussing and solving problems related to these topics? Or do you have any specific questions first?
If you do not want the background to be white, then try using the waning crescent icon, and you can make it dark. But if you do not want the dark background, then click again to get to the background that you had at the previous one. And if you want to get like the larger size, then click the plus sign. But if you want to go back to the previous size, then click the minus size. If you want to try it, you should try yourself. Before you ask a question to the math tutor, tell the math tutor your nickname. Do not use your real name. You can make up your name for this website. Also communicate with this math tutor for at least 3 minutes. You can do the math tutor for at least 3 minutes, but not less than 3 minutes. This tool will be available at filmfraction.org. Bottom right beside the multiplication chart. The Math Tutor website is available for anyone, but on the Firefox website, it would not work because it would not recognize the speech. If you want to use this website smoothly, then try using this website. Was it Chrome, Edge, and Safari? If you want more information about the speech, click this web speech button down at the resource beside the tutorial button. When you click on it, you'll get to a website to get more information about the speech. When you scroll it down, to the browser compatibility, then you'll see a chart to see the speech recognition about the website that it works on, like Chrome, Edge, Safari, and other websites too. I hope you enjoy using the Math Tutor tool. Also get entertainment and have fun with the Math Tutor. Thank you for watching Math Tutor.